This video will show you how to use the Switch Memberships feature in It's Me 247 online banking. This time-saving feature makes accessing other memberships quick and easy by eliminating the need to log out and back in again. Let's take a look at how it works. First, hover over the Switch Memberships button. To jump to another membership, select the membership from the list, which displays the member's name and the last two digits of their account number. Here Mary can see that she is signed on as a guest to her other membership. While she's in here, Mary can do anything she'd be able to do in her original membership, with two exceptions. While signed on as a guest to her other membership, Mary cannot apply for a loan or change the online banking password, which can be done only from the account originally logged into. To return to the membership you originally logged into, click Jump Back. Let's switch to another membership. As you can see, the Switch Memberships button is no longer viewable. While Mary is signed on as a guest to Jane's membership, Mary cannot access memberships that Jane can access. Let's jump back to Mary's membership. Now let's switch to another membership. Here we can see that Mary cannot jump to Johnny's account because Johnny has never logged into online banking, which is required for Mary to be able to jump to his account. Let's switch to another membership. Mary cannot access Bob's membership either, but for a slightly different reason. In this case, Bob needs to enroll in online banking and log in at least once for Mary to be able to jump to his account. Although Mary doesn't yet have full access to Bob's membership, she can at least view his account balances. To view all memberships to which you have access, even those to which you have preview access only, hover over Switch Memberships and click View Other Memberships. Now Mary can see all memberships to which she has access, including one to which she has preview access only. There are a couple reasons Mary can access these particular memberships. She has full access to her other membership because she contacted us at the credit union requesting this. She has access to these other memberships because she is a joint account holder and because the primary account holder contacted us requesting that she be given access. In this case, the account holder requested that Mary be given preview access only. In these cases, the account holders requested that Mary be given full access. Please note that account access is not reciprocal. For example, just because Mary has access to Jane's membership doesn't mean Jane has access to Mary's membership. If Jane wanted access to Mary's membership, Mary would need to contact us requesting that Jane be given access. As you saw in this video, the Switch Memberships feature makes it quick and easy to access your other memberships in online banking.